Hello everyone, Selwyn here. Today I'm going to introduce our new microfiber gloves. They are a high quality microfiber which are lint free. We are able now to offer them in different sizes. We have medium and large, and also they are available in a choice of black or white. So there's that choice which we didn't have before. These are great for handling of jewelry and watch stock, to minimize cleaning too often in a retail environment. They help you to keep fingerprints of stock, and also provide a really professional look when you're dealing with your customers. And on top of that, they're also great for handling gemstones. What is related to these is our range of microfiber cloths, which are also lint free, from Town Talk, again in different sizes. Gemstone tweezers for handling of stones together with the gloves, and also for those who prefer cotton, we also have gloves in cotton. Thanks.